Students, the another important compound from the D block elements, potassium permanganate, KMNO4. See preparation. KMNO4 is prepared by the fusion of MnO2 with alkali metal hydroxides and an oxidizing agent like KNO3, potassium nitrate and potassium chloride. So these are the preparation method. See carefully. 2 moles of MnO2 reacted with metal hydroxide KOH in the presence of oxygen. K2MnO4 plus 2H2O is formed. K2MnO4 is called potassium manganate is formed. Here it's not directly to form the KMnO4. First initially potassium manganate is formed. In the all equation initially potassium manganate is formed. See MnO2 plus K2CO3 plus O2, potassium manganate and carbon dioxide. MnO2 is reacted with potassium hydroxide in KNO3. Potassium manganate is formed. And 3MnO2 plus 6KOH plus KClO3, K2MnO4 plus KCl plus 3H2O. So, in the first step of the preparation of potassium permanganate, the initial product is the potassium manganate. First initially to form potassium manganate. After that what happened? The potassium manganate can be converted into the potassium permanganate by the two methods. Actually first initially you got potassium manganate. After potassium manganate is converted into the potassium permanganate by the two process. Number one is the oxidation method by the oxidation, and number two is the electrolytic oxidation. See important point my dear students, potassium manganate converted into the potassium permanganate by two process, by two methods. Number one is the oxidation method, number two is the electrolytic oxidation method. First of all by oxidation. See how the conversion of potassium manganate into potassium permanganate. Oxidation of potassium manganate to KMnO4, disproportionation is carried out by H2SO4 by passing of carbon dioxide or chlorine or ozone through the solution. This is the oxidation method. See here, potassium manganate reacted with the sulfuric acid to form potassium sulfate, potassium permanganate, water and manganese dioxide is formed. And another method is not only sulfuric acid, another one, potassium manganate is converted, reacted with carbon dioxide and water, potassium permanganate along with another byproducts also form. And again potassium manganate reacted with chlorine, KMnO4, potassium permanganate and KCl is formed. All equations are very important in board level. And potassium manganate plus water and reacted with ozone, KMnO4 plus 2KOH plus O2 is there. So my dear student, potassium manganate, it's converted into the potassium permanganate by the combination of sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide and water, chlorine and water plus ozone. So this is the one of the preparation method by oxidation. Next, electrolytic oxidation. This is electrolytic process. This is the most preferred method by the manganate solution is electrolyzed between the ion electrode separated by the diaphragm. So here this is the most preferable method as a potassium manganate converted into potassium permanganate. So at anode KMnO4 it's converted into purple, KMnO4 2 minus converted into MnO4 minus plus 1 electron is loses. In cathode 2H plus is accepted the electron hydrogen. So this is the important part. Potassium manganate converted into potassium permanganate, the best method is the electrolytic oxidation method. Electrolytic oxidation method. See, the oxygen evaded at the anode converted manganate to permanganate. This is the process in electrolytic oxidation method. Potassium manganate reacted with water in the presence of nascent oxygen, potassium permanganate and potassium hydroxide is formed. The solution is filtrated and evaporated to get deep purple crystal of KMnO4. So what is the color of KMnO4? Deep purple crystals of KMnO4. And another important one is the laboratory method of the preparation. How to prepare potassium permanganate in the laboratories. So in the laboratory a Mn2, Mn oxidation state is the Mn plus 2 is oxidized by the peroxo disulfate to permanganate. See here, I mentioned here ionic form Mn plus 2 before Km K2 MnO4 is there, but here ionic form this one Mn plus 2 and 5 S2O8 2 minus plus 8 H2O. This is ionic form, not a full fledged equation. Ionic form. Ultimately KMnO4 is formed. KMnO4. Now here K2MnO4. O here oxygen number does not changes. Na2S2O8 sodium thiosulfate. See, actually full fledged equation is K2MnO4. Here K potassium oxidation state does not changes. Here Na2S2O8. Here sodium oxidation state does not changes. That's why I didn't mention potassium and sodium. So what are the oxidation states or changes here? That's I mentioned here. Mn plus 2 is MnO4 plus 10SO4 2 minus plus 6H2. 16H plus. 16H plus is nothing but 8 sulfuric acid molecules are formed. And see Nana, structure of permanganate ion. This is the permanganate ion MnO. See permanganate ion MnO4 minus Mn 3 double bonds with oxygen, one single bond, one extra electrons are there. So permanganate ion, for example KMnO4. Here K oxidation state does not changes. Now permanganate ion means MnO4 minus the. So is a diamagnetic. Diamagnetic means tetrahedral permanganate ion. Tetrahedral permanganate ion, it's a diamagnetic behavior. It's a purple color. And after that, structure of manganate. What is the formula of K2MnO4? This is the potassium manganate MnO4. Here see minus 2, 2 minus. MnO4 2 minus is a manganate ion. But permanganate ion is the diamagnetic substances. Manganate ion is the paramagnetic substances with one unpaired electrons in the d orbital. Which is the most important, my dear students. In potassium permanganate diamagnetic, especially permanganate ion, and potassium manganate ion is the paramagnetic substance because of one unpaired electrons present in the d orbital. So potassium manganate is a green color substances and potassium permanganate is a purple color substances. Okay, my dear students. Next one, the oxidation state of central atom in potassium permanganate plus 7, which is the plus 7 KMnO4. Manganese oxidation state here plus 7. Important point, my dear students. Now manganese undergoes sp3 hybridization. Manganese undergoes sp3 hybridization. KMnO4 manganese oxidation state plus 7 and manganese undergoes the sp3 hybridization. And another one is manganese plus 7 has manganese plus 7 has D0 configuration. So the D blue purple color, actually D0 D10 is not existed any color, but in Mn plus 7 oxidation state, D orbital there is no any unpaired electron, but it has deep purple color because of reason Sinana, because of from charge transfer and not from DD transition. Here color is depending on the charge transfer. Electron charge is transfer from d orbital to d orbital. It's not a electron transition. That is the reason Mn7 is existed the purple color. So important key point, my dear students, here Mn7 has D0 configuration. So the D purple color is arises from the charge transfer and not from DD transition. Charge transition, charge, electronic charge is transition means definitely the color is existed. That is the reason even in d orbital 0 electrons are there, it show the purple color. This is the most important point, my dear students. The next one is physical properties of potassium permanganate. It is a deep purple crystalline solid. Now I will send the image of potassium permanganate through your group WhatsApp. Physical properties, it is a deep purple crystalline solid, moderately soluble in water at room temperature. This is the most important point, neat point. 6.4 grams of potassium permanganate soluble in 100 grams of the water at room temperature. This is the most important point, my dear students. Out of 100 grams of water, 6.4 grams of potassium permanganate is easily to soluble. Next, its solubility increases with increasing temperature. For example, at room temperature, 6.4 grams of potassium permanganate soluble into 100 grams of water. But if at room temperature, but increasing the temperature, temperature is increases means the solubility is also increases. This is the most important point. Potassium permanganate solubility is directly proportional to the temperature. Solubility of KMnO4 is directly proportional to the temperature. Solubility of KMnO4 is directly proportional to the temperature. Next one is the chemical properties of potassium permanganate. First of all, when heated alone, only potassium permanganate heated alone or with alkali to give oxygen. For example, directly heated with alone, otherwise is a combination with alkali to give oxygen. See here, potassium permanganate under decomposition of heating, K2MnO4 interconvertible, K2MnO4, potassium manganate plus MnO2 plus oxygen is there, and it's a alonely heated, but with alkali, KMnO4 reacted with alkali, K2MnO4, water and oxygen is there. So ultimately potassium permanganate heated, immediately the byproduct is the oxygen. And see here, K2MnO4 plus 2H2O plus oxygen is released. At red hot, very hot red hot, K2MnO4 further decomposes to K2MnO3 and oxygen. K2MnO3 and oxygen. It's the most important, my dear students. K2MnO3 and oxygen is formed. See that equation here. K2MnO4 red hot, K2MnO3 plus oxygen is formed. And after that, when it is treated with the concentrated of sulfuric acid, the form Mn2O7, this is a manganese oxide, is an explosive compound. Most important point, Nana, here when this compound K2MnO3 is treated with the concentrated of sulfuric acid, K2MnO3 treated with concentrated of sulfuric acid to form Mn2O7, this commonly known as manganese oxide. Manganese oxide is an explosive compound. It is a very important point. It is an explosive compound. Okay students, here this is also name is potassium manganate, but oxidation K2MnO4 is also potassium manganate, K2MnO3 is also potassium manganate, but oxidation states are changes. See here, when it is treated with this one, K2MnO3 is treated with concentrations of sulfuric acid, Mn2O7 manganese oxide is formed. It is an explosive compound. See here, KMnO4 plus H2SO4 to KHSO4 Mn2O7 plus H2O. Mn2O7 again is under decomposition, MnO2 plus 3O2 is formed, and with warm concentration sulfuric acid, oxygen gas is evaded. See here, KMnO4 potassium permanganate, KMnO4 potassium manganate undergoes reacted with sulfuric acid, MnSO4 6H2O, potassium sulfate and oxygen is released. And another fourth point is, when solid KMnO4 is heated in a presence of hydrogen gas, gives KOH and MnO and water vapor. See here, KMnO4 reacted with current hydrogen, is the presence of hydrogen, KOH, MnO plus H2O is released. And another important point, listen carefully, it is stored, potassium permanganate is always stored in the dark colored bottle because it gets decomposed in the presence of sunlight. See my dear students, whenever you go to chemistry laboratory, KMnO4 purple color crystals, KMnO4 is always stored in the brown dark color bottles. Because of this is the reason it is stored in the dark colored bottle, because it gets decomposed in the presence of sunlight. and KMnO4 act as an oxidizing agent in alkali solution, neutral and acidic solution. So KMnO4 act as a good oxidizing agent in the basic medium or neutral as well as the acidic medium. See, in acidic medium, how KMnO4 act as a good oxidizing agent? See, to acidify the KMnO4, sulfuric acid be used but not HCl. Most important point, Nana. In acidic medium, KMnO4 is oxidized with sulfuric acid only but not hydrochloric acid, because it is oxidized hydrochloric acid to chlorine gas. That is the reason in KMnO4 in the acidic medium means only using for sulfuric acid, not HCl. If HCl are used means it is not oxidized, it is directly converted into the chlorine gas. That is the reason instead of HCl only sulfuric acid in the oxidizing purpose in the acidic medium. This is the most important point, my dear students. Again I repeated, in acidic medium KMnO4 only used the sulfuric acid but not using the HCl because it is oxidized hydrochloric acid to chlorine gas. See here, Nana, KMnO4 plus sulfuric acid, K2SO4, MnSO4 plus 3H2O plus 5 moles of nascent oxygen is formed. So this is the oxidized KMnO4 easily to oxidized only for acidic, in the acidic medium only for sulfuric acid. And another important part, in acidic medium, how to calculate it of equivalent weight of the KMnO4. My dear students, in acidic medium, equivalent weight of the KMnO4 is different. In basic medium and neutral medium, KMnO4 equivalent weight is different. So that's why now already I mentioned in the calculation of the equivalent weight of KMnO4 in the acidic medium. See students, how to calculate equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acidic medium. See, what is the formula of equivalent weight of KMnO4 in the acidic medium? Molecular weight of KMnO4 by 5. What is the 5 here? Listen very carefully. What is the, in acidic medium, equivalent weight of KMnO4 is equal to molecular weight of the KMnO4 by n factor. In acidic medium, KMnO4 n factor value is the 5. So see here how to calculate n factor value. So here KMnO4 in the reacted with acidic medium to converted into MnSO4. Now here manganese oxidation state is a +7, actually permanganate. After reacted with acid, MnSO4 oxidation state is the +2. So the changes, the n factor is nothing but the n factor he already mentioned. N factor is equal to total changes in oxidation number. Total changes in oxidation number. Here plus, here +2. So total changes 5. That's why here especially equivalent weight of the KMnO4 in the acidic medium, n factor value 4. In basic medium is different depending on the changes of oxidation state of the manganese. So now formula C, equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight of the KMnO4 by n factor. Molecular weight of KMnO4, entire the KMnO4 molecular weight 158. So how to calculate it n factor value? Total changes in oxidation number. So 7 minus 2, 7 plus 7 2 plus 2. So 5 units are changes. That's why n factor value is the 5. So ultimately molecular weight by n factor 158 by 5. So 31.6 grams. This is the most important point, my dear student. Equivalent weight of KMnO4. Equivalent